A Russian military truck packed with troops was ambushed in a sudden and devastating strike by Ukrainian FPV drones, triggering chaos along a contested supply route near the front lines. The attack unfolded in seconds, transforming what appeared to be a routine movement into a deadly trap that left the convoy in flames and shattered the surrounding silence. According to battlefield reports, the truck was traveling along a narrow road bordered by open fields when Ukrainian surveillance detected unusual movement. Moments later, the low buzz of FPV drones pierced the air, closing in with relentless precision as soldiers inside the vehicle realized they were under attack.
В машине, блядь! Бля, прям в машину залетел, гандон!
Witnesses described panic erupting almost instantly. The truck attempted to accelerate, but the drones were already too close. Explosions ripped through the vehicle, tearing metal apart and scattering debris across the road as thick black smoke billowed into the sky. The ambush was reportedly coordinated, with multiple FPV drones striking in rapid succession. The first impact disabled the truck, while follow-up strikes ensured it could not be evacuated or reinforced. Flames engulfed the cargo area, trapping troops inside and forcing survivors to flee into nearby fields. Ukrainian sources claim the operation was part of a broader effort to disrupt Russian logistics and troop movements. The targeted road had been used repeatedly to move personnel and supplies, making it a high-value objective amid intensifying clashes in the region. Footage circulating online shows the aftermath of the strike, the truck reduced to a smoldering wreck, uniforms and equipment scattered across the ground, and secondary explosions suggesting ammunition had detonated. The visuals quickly spread, underscoring the growing role of drone warfare on the modern battlefield. Analysts note that FPV drones have become one of Ukraine's most effective tools, capable of striking fast-moving targets with alarming accuracy. Their relatively low cost and high impact have shifted the balance in localized engagements, leaving traditional armored and transport vehicles increasingly vulnerable. Russian military channels acknowledged an incident involving a transport vehicle, but offered few details, citing ongoing combat conditions. Casualty figures remain unclear, though unofficial estimates suggest significant losses among the troops carried in the truck. The ambush has further heightened tensions along the front, where both sides are locked in a grinding struggle marked by constant surveillance and sudden explosive encounters. Soldiers on all sides now move under the constant threat of unseen drones hovering overhead. Local residents reported hearing multiple blasts followed by prolonged gunfire as surviving troops attempted to secure the area. The road was reportedly closed for hours, disrupting movements and forcing Russian units to reroute through longer, more exposed paths. Military experts say such attacks have a psychological impact beyond their immediate destruction. The knowledge that any vehicle could be tracked and struck at any moment has forced troops to travel in smaller groups and under stricter concealment, slowing operations and increasing strain. Ukrainian officials framed the strike as a defensive action aimed at weakening enemy pressure on nearby positions. They emphasized that targeting troop transports reduces the ability of opposing forces to rotate units and maintain momentum at the front. The incident adds to a growing list of drone-related strikes that have reshaped the battlefield, blurring the line between traditional combat and remote-controlled precision warfare. Each successful ambush reinforces the message that mobility without protection now carries deadly risks. With both sides rapidly adapting, the ambush of the Russian troop truck marks another intense chapter in the ongoing conflict, one where the hum of FPV drones has become as feared as artillery, and where a single moment can decide the fate of dozens of soldiers.